Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and then type in Call of Duty Black Ops 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version or edition that you would like to buy. You can then click on View My Card to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once you have completed your payment, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks, and now you can start enjoying the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.